In today's video, we will replace the turn signal bulb for 2018 Toyota Highlander. First, we will open the trunk. I will be using a plastic trim remover tool to take out this plastic cover. First, I will pull it from the top. Then I will pull it from the bottom. There we got the plastic cover taken out. Behind the plastic cover, there are two 10mm screws that needs to be taken out. Here I'm using an impact gun with a 10mm nut setter, but you can also use a round head ratchet with a 10mm nut setter if you want. Both the screws are taken out. Now from the quarter panel side, I will push the tail light outwards until it comes out completely. Once the tail light is taken out, there's that tail light from behind. First, we will take out the plug of the bulb. All we have to do is just turn it anti-clockwise and then pull it out. Plug is out. Now we take out the bulb. We will just push it outwards. And there's that bulb taken out. Now suppose you got a new bulb and you want to put it back. It does not matter this way or the other. All you have to do is just place this bulb right there and then push it to a point until you hear a clicking sound. There you go, and that is how you change the bulb on the tail light. Now we install the plug back to where it came from. The way it works is we install this first and then we turn it until it completely goes in. Now once the plug is completely in, only then we turn it clockwise so that the plug is installed firm and strong. Just like that, and it will not come out. Now we will go ahead and put back the tail light. Just one other thing to notice, this edge coming out right there. There's also a hole right here, so make sure this edge is going towards that hole. And of course, this bracket right there, you'll be aligning it with this spot right there. Now we will go ahead and install the tail light to its place. And once the tail light is installed properly, only then we will put back both the screws. This time I will tighten them with a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, because tightening with the gun sometimes may end up breaking the bracket that is inside. Once both the screws are tight enough, now we will go ahead and put back that plastic cover. Notice the side where it has two tabs coming out, that side has to go on the top part, and the side that only has one tab needs to go at the bottom. While putting the plastic cover, just make sure you push it to a point until you hear a clicking sound. With that, we are done with the replacement of the bulb. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.